So the vector diagram here clearly depicts. क्या आप जानते हैं रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी का कंसेप्ट IIT JEE मेंस एंड एडवांस के लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है? यदि नहीं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए ही है। चलिए देखते हैं कैसे रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी कंसेप्ट का इस्तेमाल करके हम लोग जो है IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के फिजिक्स प्रॉब्लम को इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो ये वीडियो जो है दो पैरेलल ट्रेन से रिलेटेड है, जिस पर कि जो है एक मंकी भी चढ़ा हुआ है। तो देखिए शुरू करते हैं हम। इसका प्रॉब्लम है जिसमें कि जो है दो ट्रेन है, एक नॉर्थ में जा रही है, एक साउथ में जा रही है। तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम जो है एक रेफरेंस लाइन जरूरी है लेना। देखिए जब फिजिक्स में प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं तो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट दैट यू नीड टू हैव ए फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस। सो हियर the reference line is the ground. Define the direction. So this is the north direction, this is direction you need to follow forward. So one train is moving north south. So tracks are north south and trains are moving over these tracks. The train B is moving and on this the train A is moving. Okay, that is the situation. Two parallel rail tracks north south. Train A moves north with a velocity with a speed of 54 km/h. So velocity of train A is equal to 54 km/h. That will easily be converted into meter per second by multiplying 5 by 18. That will give meter per second. So this become, and VA is moving north. So this is the VA. Now VB. VB is equal to south. That can. So these are the speed of train A and train B. One is along the north direction and another is along the south direction. So VA and VB. Now you need to calculate the velocity of B with respect to A. VA is for the train A that is moving towards north. That is, we take the north direction as a positive. Okay, so north is as a positive direction and south towards south it is a negative direction. So VA is positive and VB is negative, that is minus 25 meter per second. Velocity of B with respect to A, so that will be equal to velocity of B minus velocity of A. Okay, इसका रियल मीनिंग ये होता है कि velocity of B with respect to A. Here the observer is in the train A and it is measuring the velocity with respect to him itself. So that's why VBA is equal to VB minus VA, and if we substitute the values for VB and VA, so that means minus 25. So this will give minus 40 meter per second. So this VBA is the velocity, that is minus 40 meter per second, and the observer is in the train A, and with respect to him the velocity of train B is the minus 40 meter per second. So minus means the train is moving from north to south. Okay, that is the problem number A. Now next problem is that velocity of the ground with respect to B. So since ground is stationary state, so velocity of ground with respect to B is equal to velocity of ground minus velocity of train B. So since velocity of ground is 0, that is 0 minus 25. So this will give 25 meter per second. What is this? This is the velocity of ground with respect to train B. That means what? If the observer is in the train B, he is observing that the ground is moving with respect to him at the speed of 25 meter per second in the direction from south to north. Okay, so VGB is a positive direction with respect to observer in train B or train B itself. That means the ground is moving from south to north. Okay, now the third problem. Third problem is that velocity of a monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion with a velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to the train A as observed by a man standing on the ground. So it is asking the velocity of monkey observed by a man standing on the ground. Let velocity of monkey with respect to train A is Vma, that is Vm minus Va. What is Vm? Where Vm is the velocity of monkey with respect to ground, and that is the man standing there. So Vma is given, so given Vma is equal to 18 km per hour, that can be 5 meter per second, and the monkey is turning on the roof of the train against its motion. So you know that train A is moving south to north, the monkey is running north to south. North to south means negative direction. So Vma is the minus 5 meter per second. Okay, Vma direction with direction. Okay, this is north to south. So minus 5 meter per second equals to Vm minus this is the velocity of train A. So velocity, that is the 15 meter per second. So 15 meter per second. So what we will get? You will get Vm, that is Vm is equal to minus 5 plus 15 meter per second, that is 10 meter per second. This is the velocity of the monkey with respect to the ground. That means observer on the ground is observing that monkey is moving with velocity 10 meter per second from south to north. In this direction. So monkey is on the roof of the train A, that is moving towards the north, and the monkey is running against the train, that is monkey is running towards the south. So for the observer on the ground, finally the monkey is moving towards the north by the 10 meter per second. Even the monkey is moving south, but the final relative velocity with respect to the observer at the ground is 10 meter per second towards the north. So the vector diagram here clearly depicts. So this is the velocity in meter per second, plus velocity is towards north and negative velocity towards south. Okay, so this is the center. So Vb represents the velocity of train B, and that is this is the velocity of train B, that is moving towards south. Okay, and Va is the velocity of train A. Okay, Va is the velocity of train and it is negative. So with respect to the train B, we measure the velocity of A in the direction of B by taking the negative sign. Okay, the sign will be negative if we are taking it towards the south, so sign will be negative. So that is the minus Va. Okay, so relative to A, the velocity of B, what does it mean? That observer in the train A measuring the velocity b, so it will be a W. So that's why the total resultant velocity will be given by this. This is the VBA, that is the minus 40 meter per second. So finally both trains are running in the opposite direction and resultant velocity will be faster than the individual velocity. Okay, that's why it is shown by the longer arrow. And this is the velocity of 10 VA, and this is the velocity of monkey with respect to the A, southwards by the 5 meter per second, and this is the monkey speed, final speed with respect to the observer on the ground, that is the VM. Okay, so I hope that you understood this explanation and the concepts that will be helpful for you. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment, and also ask me in the comment what type of problem you want to solve by me. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe the Hirak Cosmos. Thank you so much.